Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
The two most common types of brake noise are squealing and grinding. Next time you're in your car, pay close attention to the noise your brakes make when you depress the brake pedal. Squealing. Squealing or squealing generally indicates that the brake pads need replacing. Some brake pads are equipped with wear indicators in the form of small steel clips, which make a squealing noise when the pad is worn. While the squeal may indicate that you need new brake pads, it can have other implications and meanings. A squeal can sometimes be heard after obtaining a brake pad or rotor replacement service. This should disappear within a day or two, once the pads are pushed in, but if the sound continues, we recommend that you make an appointment at your local store for a brake system assessment. Glazing on brake pads can also cause them to squeal. Glazing occurs when the brake calipers stick together, causing the brakes to remain partially applied, resulting in excessive friction and heat. This heat causes the pads to harden and crystallize, or glaze. Squealing can also be attributed to broken anti-rattle clamps, clamps that hold the brake pads in place, and/or worn brake pad insulation. In any case, it's advisable to have your brakes assessed as soon as possible if you hear this noise. Grinding. Grinding noises are an indication that something is really wrong with your braking system. Sometimes, this brake noise can indicate that a small rock or a bit of debris has penetrated the brakes, and the obstruction simply needs to be removed. Other times, a grinding noise can be heard when your brake pads are completely worn, causing the steel disc to grind against the brake disc. In this case, failure to replace the brake pads immediately could seriously damage the brake rotors, resulting in high repair costs. So, if you hear a grinding noise, get your car off the road and consult a professional immediately. Failure to do so potentially puts you and your passengers in a dangerous situation. If you're in this situation and are concerned, Pep Boys offers a brake system assessment as well as complete brake replacement service. Packages. In conclusion, understanding the various types of brake noise is essential for maintaining your vehicle's safety and performance. From squeaking and grinding to rattling and hissing, each sound can indicate different issues that may require attention. By recognizing these noises early, you can prevent more significant problems down the road and ensure a smoother, quieter ride. Always consult a professional if you're unsure about the source of the noise, as timely intervention can save you time and money in the long run. Thank you for watching, and drive safely.